Hi, I'm Kristin Omdahl and welcome back to my studio. In this series of videos, I'm going to show you how to make the beautiful Morgana Crochet Shawl. The Morgana Crochet Shawl is a spectacularly fun and festive use of color work and lace in a crochet shawl. You can make this gorgeous shawl in one color or use a trio of colors for extra fun. This top-down construction hexagon-shaped shawl moves quickly with an easy-to-memorize stitch pattern. The color sequence and ornate edging are simple to learn and add a lot of dramatic flair. We're going to start with learning how to read the written line-by-line instructions and charts. Then I'll show you how to crochet the very simple 4-row repeat of this increasing top-down half hexagon shawl. Then I'll show you how to create this gorgeous edging. And then in the final video, I'm going to show you how to weave in the loose ends and block this beautiful shawl with Wrapture All Natural Delicate Wash. Let's get started. I'm really excited to show you this edging. It is a complete showstopper. It's worked over a 4-row repeat, and you could actually apply it to any edge of any existing shawl. You'll need a repeat of 5 chain 3 spaces plus 4, or if you're doing it in the round, you just need a repeat of 5 chain 3 spaces. And so I'll show you how to get started on the first one. I'm at the end of row 14, but whatever row you end your shawl on, however big or small you want to make it, you want to make sure that you've worked a row 14 of the stitch pattern last before starting the edging. So the first row of the edging starts with a chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet into that first chain 3 space. We're going to chain 3 and single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Now in the next chain 3 space, we're going to work 9 double crochets. Double crochet is yarn over your hook, insert your hook in the specified place, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. We'll do that for a total of 9 times, all in that same chain 3 space. And then we'll single crochet in the next chain 3 space, and so across the entire row we're going to work chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space times 3, 9 double crochets in the next chain 3 space, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. So we're going to repeat this all the way across the row. This is what the end of the first row of the edging should look like. Row 2 of the edging begins with chain 1 and single crochet into the first chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Now over the next 9 double crochets, we're going to work 2 double crochets into each double crochet. So we're going to turn those 9 into 18 by working 1 double crochet and 2 double crochets into each of those stitches. Single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. So this is what we will repeat across now. 2 double crochets into each of the 9 double crochets, then single crochet, chain 3, single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. You want to repeat that across the entire row. This is what the second row of the edging should look like. We're now ready to begin row 3. Row 3 begins with a chain 1 and single crochet into the first chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. Now over the next 18 stitches, we're going to increase a little bit differently. We're going to double crochet 2 times in the first stitch and double crochet 1 time in the next stitch. 2 times in the next stitch and 1 time in the next stitch. So we will be increasing our 18 stitches in this shell to 27 stitches this time. single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. You notice that as we're making these scallops larger, we're decreasing the number of chain 3 spaces between them. It's a really cool way of creating a really large scalloped edge, and what you're going to do now is repeat the 2 double crochets in one stitch, 1 double crochet in the next stitch, repeat that 9 times around each of the scallops, then single crochet, chain 3, single crochet. That's our repeat, and you want to repeat this all the way across row 3 of the edging. At the end of the row, we single crochet in the next chain 3 space, chain 3, single crochet in the next chain 3 space. And this is what the end of row 3 should look like on the edging. Row 4 begins with a chain 1, turn your work, and single crochet in the first chain 3 space. We're going to work 1 double crochet into each of the next 12 stitches. In the next stitch, we're going to work a double crochet and a treble crochet. Yarn over twice, insert your hook in the same stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2 loops on your hook. In the next stitch, we're going to work a treble crochet, chain 3, treble crochet. Yarn over your hook twice, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, chain 3, and a second treble crochet in that same stitch. In the next stitch, we're going to work a treble crochet and then a double crochet. And then work a double crochet into each of the next 12 stitches. And single crochet in the next chain 3 space. So notice how on what we've done is we've transformed this half circle scallop into a more pointed scallop edge. And how we did that was working 1 double crochet in each stitch across to the stitch before the center, where we worked a double and a treble, so it started growing in height. Then we, in the next stitch, did a treble, chain 3, treble, which grew even more in height. And then in the next stitch did it in the reverse, treble crochet then double, so it would start decreasing in height, and then worked in double crochet across the rest of the edge. You want to repeat this all the way across, and this finishes our last row of the edging, so you're going to want to fasten off at the end of this row. After all the hard work you've put into this magnificent crochet shawl, make sure you watch the next video in the series where I'll show you the professional tips for weaving in your loose ends and blocking it to all of its glory. If you have any questions about this video, please leave them for me in the comments. And please make sure to watch the next video so you can learn even more about how to make the Morgana shawl. Please like this video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Let us make time to create, share, and inspire today and every day. I'll see you in the next video.